Hi, this is Sarah Beth with Pinchley again. We're going to have a classic fountain pen unboxing for you today. This is a Cross fountain pen, and it was the first fountain pen released from Cross that was non-metal. It's the Cross Bailey Light. It's a fantastic everyday writer, and it brings the same quality of the original metal Cross Bailey with a lighter weight frame. It has a spring metal clip, and it's known as one of their dependable high-performance everyday fountain pens. In comparison to the original Cross Bailey, this is just made with a lighter weight resin. It's fitted with a stainless steel number 5 nib, which suits this smaller pen silhouette. And it's a cartridge converter filling system. And Cross pens are proprietary, so you'll need to use Cross ink cartridges or have a Cross converter to use with your pen. It's available in different colors and options. And each Cross Bailey Light fountain pen does come with an ink cartridge included. You'll find it tucked inside the barrel. The section on these pens does match the cap and barrel, and they're all paired with a chrome-plated trim. Here's a look at several different color options. Hope you enjoyed getting a look at these everyday classics, the Cross Bailey Light fountain pens. Like and subscribe for more unboxings and features, and go ahead and shop your Cross Bailey Light fountain pens at pinchley.com. We would love to see you back.